Is magnesium the miracle mineral everyone's raving about? Or is it secretly sabotaging your health right now? In this video, I'm exposing the 7 shocking truths about magnesium they don't tell you, the hidden dangers that could land you in the ER if you're not careful. You absolutely have to know this before you pop another pill. Hey everyone, and welcome to Revitamen, your go-to channel for unlocking the real science behind vitamins and minerals so you can revitalize your life without the hype. Today, we're diving deep into magnesium, but stick around until the very end because truth number 1 is the game changer that could save your life. It's the one big lie Big Pharma pushes that turns this essential mineral into a potential heart stopper. Trust me, it shocked me when I learned it, and it'll blow your mind too. All right, let's cut the fluff. No wasting time here on Revitamen. We're kicking off with the absolute biggest danger, truth number 7, because if you're on common meds, this could be silently killing your progress, or worse. The hidden truth they don't tell you? Magnesium doesn't play nice with your prescriptions. It can straight up block them from working or amplify their side effects into a nightmare. Let me break this down for you step by step, because I see this all the time in the comments. Folks swearing by magnesium for sleep or stress, but they're on antibiotics or blood pressure meds and wondering why nothing's working. First off, magnesium is a mineral that binds to stuff in your gut like a magnet. Take quinolone antibiotics like ciprofloxacin for a UTI, super common. If you take them within 2 hours before or 46 hours after your magnesium supplement, it slashes the antibiotic's absorption by up to 50%. That means your infection lingers longer, bacteria get stronger, and boom, you're back at the doctor with a resistant bug. I remember consulting with a viewer last year. Let's call her Sarah. She was battling chronic sinus infections, popping magnesium glycinate for anxiety like candy. But her doctor had her on levofloxacin. And guess what? The infection wouldn't budge. Turns out, the magnesium was forming insoluble complexes in her stomach, trapping the antibiotic and flushing it out unused. She switched to taking her mag at bedtime, antibiotics in the morning, cleared up in days. But here's the scary part. This isn't just antibiotics. Bisphosphonates for osteoporosis, magnesium tanks their effectiveness by binding to them. Take them 2 hours apart or risk brittle bones getting worse. And don't get me started on blood pressure meds like calcium channel blockers, nifedipine, amlodipine. Magnesium relaxes your vessels too, so together, your blood pressure could plummet, leaving you dizzy, fainting, or worse, a stroke risk if you're driving. Then there's muscle relaxants like cyclobenzaprine. Magnesium amps up the sedation, turning a chill pill into full-on blackout territory. Oh, and anticoagulants like warfarin? It thins your blood even more, upping bleed risks. Think internal bruising or hemorrhagic strokes. The truth they bury? Over 200 drugs interact with magnesium oxide alone, from diabetes sulfonylureas that spike your low blood sugar crashes to digoxin for heart failure, where it cuts absorption and leaves your ticker irregular. If you're on any med, check with your doc or pharmacist before supplementing. Fix this one truth, and you're dodging a bullet that 90% of supplement takers never see coming. Studies show up to 20% of folks on multiple meds experience these clashes without knowing. If truth number 7 has you double-checking your pill bottles, hold on to your seat, because the final truth, number 1, is even more explosive. It's the one that literally could stop your heart if ignored. Okay, now that we've armed you with that powerhouse opener, let's roll through the rest of these truths. We'll hit number 6 down to number 3. Each one a landmine most health gurus gloss over. Keep that energy up because by the end, you'll be rethinking every magnesium bottle in your cabinet. Truth number 6. Magnesium isn't just a relaxer, it's a notorious gut bomber. They sell it as this chill-out mineral, but overload it and you're sprinting to the bathroom like it's your new cardio routine. Here's why. Magnesium pulls water into your intestines via osmosis, great for constipation relief in low doses, like 200 to 300 milligrams of citrate.
but push past 350 milligrams daily, especially with oxide or chloride forms, and it turns laxative mode to overdrive. Nausea, cramps, bloating. I've had viewers DM me saying they lost 5 pounds in a week from magnesium runs. Not fat, but dehydration and electrolyte chaos. One study tracked 500 supplement users. 15% reported persistent GI upset, leading to stopped supplementation. Back in my early supplement days, I loaded up on magnesium for workouts. 600 milligrams oxide. Thought it'd prevent cramps. Instead, mid-gym disaster. Felt like my insides were staging a revolt. Switch to glycinate? Night and day. Pro tip, start low, 100 to 200 milligrams with food, and pick chelated forms for less turmoil. Dropping to truth number 5. If your kidneys aren't tip-top, magnesium becomes a ticking toxicity bomb. They don't tell you this because it shatters the one-size-fits-all supplement myth. Your kidneys filter out excess mag, about 95% of what you ingest if healthy. But with chronic kidney disease, affecting 1 in 7 adults, that clearance drops to zilch. Levels skyrocket, hypermagnesemia. Starting with flushing and lethargy, escalating to muscle weakness, low P, and breathing fails. Fatal cases? Rare, but real. One report of a dialysis patient ODing on antacids with 1,200 milligrams mag, leading to cardiac arrest. Medical reviews warn, even 350 milligrams daily can overload impaired kidneys, causing confusion or coma. If you're over 60, diabetic, or on dialysis, 0 supplements without doc approval. Blood tests are key. Normal serum mag is 1.7 to 2.2 milligrams per deciliter. Above 5, emergency. Truth number 4 hits the wallet and wellness. Not all magnesium is created equal. Cheap forms are low-absorption liars that do more harm than good. Magnesium oxide? Dirt cheap, but only 4% bioavailable. The rest ferments in your gut, causing bloat and 0 benefits. Citrate? 90% absorption, but diarrhea king at high doses. Gluconate's middling, great for migraines, but pricey. The truth? They push oxide because it's filler-friendly, but you're flushing 96% down the toilet, literally, and risking oxalate buildup for kidney stones. Healthline data. Chelated like glycinate or malate absorb 80 to 90%, minimizing sides, ideal for stress or sleep without the runs. Harvard notes nausea spikes with poorly absorbed types. Spend on quality. Glycinate for calm, taurate for heart. Test with a week trial. If no sides and you feel it, winner.
Finally, for this chunk, truth number 3, it's not just supplements. Antacids, laxatives, even migraine meds stack mag into overdose territory without you noticing. Milk of magnesia, 500 milligrams per tablespoon. 4 spoons daily for constipation, that's 2,000 milligrams flirting with toxicity. Tums for heartburn, 200 milligrams per chewable. Pop 5, over RDA easy. PPIs like Nexium hide mag too. Combined with 400 milligrams sup, you're at 1,500 milligrams. Nausea, lethargy hit fast. Medical News Today flags 5,000 milligrams plus as severe risk. Irregular heartbeat, urine retention. Risk highest in elderly or renal issues. Death from cardiac arrest reported in laxative abusers. Track total intake. Apps like Chronometer help. Under 350 milligrams supplemental, safe zone. All right, we're nearing the home stretch, but before the big reveal, truth number 2, this one's a close second to our opener, because it targets your most vital organ. Magnesium can hijack your heart if you overdo it, dropping pressure and sparking arrhythmias that feel like doom. Magnesium relaxes smooth muscles, including arteries, awesome for hypertension in moderation. But excess? It vasodilates too hard, tanking BP to hypotensive levels. Dizziness, fainting, falls, especially risky for seniors. Worse, high serum mag disrupts electrical signals, bradycardia, AV block, even asystole in extremes. WebMD warns doses over 350 milligrams orally build up, causing low BP, confusion, slowed breathing, coma in bad cases. Overdose symptoms include irregular heartbeat and cardiac arrest, per experts, fatal if untreated. Picture this.
A guy in his 50s, stressed exec, doubles mag to 800 milligrams for sleep, wakes up faint, pulse at 40 BPM, ER trip, IV Josium to counter. They fixed it, but he could have crashed driving. If on diuretics or beta blockers, double whammy. This truth screams moderation. Monitor BP weekly if supplementing high. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Drumroll please, truth number 1, the ultimate truth they don't tell you. Magnesium isn't the cure-all savior. It's a deceptive mask that hides deeper deficiencies, leading to fatal electrolyte imbalances and organ shutdown if you chase it blindly. They hype magnesium as the fix for everything, fatigue, anxiety, cramps, because deficiency hits 50% of us from poor diets, stress, booze. But here's the bomb. Supplementing without fixing the root, it imbalances calcium and potassium. Mag needs them in harmony for nerve, muscle, heart function. Excess mag depletes calcium absorption, weakening bones, teeth, tanks potassium causing cramps, fatigue, arrhythmias. In extremes, this cascade, hypermagnesemia full-blown, lethargy to coma as kidneys fail to balance. TÜV's research, no long-term toxicity from diet, but SUPs risk diarrhea masking issues. Plus, in kidney patients, it's lethal buildup. Harvard flags interactions amplifying deficiencies. One case, woman on 1 gram daily for energy, ignored low K, ended in ventricular fibrillation. The deception? Food sources like spinach, nuts give balanced mag, 300 to 400 milligrams RDA without overload. SUPs? They isolate it. They ignore your unique needs, genetics, gut health, meds. Get bloodwork, RBC mag test over serum for accuracy. Fix diet first, avocados, seeds. If deficient, doc-guided 200 milligrams chelated. This truth changed my protocol. No more blind boosting. Ignore this and magnesium goes from hero to villain, stopping hearts, not starting them. So, there you have it, Revitamen fam, the 7 shocking truths about magnesium's dark side. We unpacked deadly drug clashes number 7, gut-wrecking runs number 6, kidney bombs number 5, absorption scams number 4, sneaky stacks number 3, heart hijacks number 2, and the big mask of imbalances number 1. Remember, it's essential but dangerous if mishandled. Always test, dose smart, consult pros. Now I gotta know from you, which of these truths hit home hardest? Are you on meds that clash or have you battled mag-side diarrhea? Be brutally honest in the comments below. Which truth are you fixing first? I read everyone and reply to as many as I can. If this video just saved your health or scared you straight, smash that like button, subscribe to Revitamen for more unfiltered mineral truths, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop. In the previous video, I talked about magnesium, vitamin D3, and K2. You can watch it. It is very useful. Thanks for watching. Revitalize on, and I'll catch you in the next one.